Okay guys, let's see if there's any deals at Ross Dress for Less. As you guys can see, this place has been cleared out. Look at those shelves. They were full a few days ago. When I was a teenager, this was the cologne I was obsessed with, which probably means it's horrible. I really hate cologne, but should probably wear it. And according to them, some of this candy stuff and this Christmas stuff that doesn't go back, the food stuff, will be on sale. If it's at this brown sticker, will be on sale for like 49 cents. In around the third week of January, they do a huge markdown. So if you want to check that out, look for these brown stickers. You see all kinds of stuff over here. And none of it looks like it's actually been marked down yet, so they may hold off until after the first of the year. Coffee syrup. Let's see. Oh wait, this has been marked down. $3.99 now. Yep, some of it has started to be marked down. So the way clearance works with Ross is that it's always the last aisle. So here we go, the last aisle. And they do, I think twice a year, they do what they call the red tag sale. Let's see. So that's still $27.99. They get some really interesting stuff. Like this Champion's coming back, by the way. $20.99. I found like, they've had Supreme in here. Like I've seen people flying Supreme. I have not, but people I trust that were not faking it. They wouldn't risk their channels by doing that. So it's probably like a one-off, or it could have been fake. I don't know how they do their buying. I know I've bought, what is that? Robert Graham. I have a couple of Robert Graham shirts I bought at Ross. A few people I know, if you want to follow the Hustle Bee on Instagram and Hustler Hacks, they have actually made an entire, they make their entire living off of buying shoes, primarily Nike, at Ross's. Let's see, one of these, we're at 100. Those are all right. I kind of like these for myself. What y'all guys think? These are oh, Under Armour. That's cool. I always forget they make shoes. Are these 10s or 10.5s? Let's see. Oh, they're 11s. I have wide feet though. That's one thing I'm looking forward to when I lose the weight. Hopefully my feet won't be as wide and I'll have more options. As you can see again, just everything is not much left, but I saw this was a good deal. This little travel set for $3.99. I might pick that up. If you come about mid-November, I have a lot of friends that actually do very well on there. They can find great deals here to then send to Amazon, and they'll make quite a good profit on those. I don't do a lot of retail arbitrage. You got to have a lot of money to put up front, and again, I mean, if you can send it to Amazon, you know it's going to make some money. That's pretty awesome. You can definitely do that. Oh. Look at that. Okay, that's cool. All right, so I didn't find anything that I thought was a great enough deal yet in Ross. I will come back in a couple of weeks, But the main reason I'm actually here is I dropped some stuff off to Half Price Books, and they said it was going to be about a 45-minute wait to try to get see what I can get. I'm guessing I don't get a lot. It's probably going to be just a touch of money because everything in there is pretty old. But the reason I bring it here and don't sell it online is because, you know, it's not going to move online. So I get a couple bucks, and you try to squeeze every penny you can out of reselling. This is where I spend my time while waiting, looking at graphic novels and Sin City, Smallville. Ooh, what do they have for Smallville? He's so young there. There's a lot of S's. Alright, I'm gonna find a book to read. Okay guys, so I forgot to film this there, but after about 30 minutes of reading my graphic novel, I ended up with getting called, and I got $16 for about 100 books and movies. So not a lot of money. Obviously they took very few of them. They'll donate the rest, or I could have taken them back, but I just didn't bother with them. What I should have done is taken the movies back at least, and then gone through and made just a lot of movies and sold them, started an auction like at $9.99 on eBay. Could have made a little bit more money that way. Didn't really want to deal with them, but probably should have. Anyway, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful New Year's, and thank you so much for watching, and God bless. Thanks. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Shh, and turn the bell notification on, and all that other stuff I'm forgetting.